Hola amigos y amigas, I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia. And today I'm actually jumping in with a brand I have never, ever tried before, Miss Jessies. My daughter tried one of their products once a while back. I cannot for the life of me remember what, but it was also before either of us really knew much about hair, and so she didn't think it did much for her, but I've always heard really wonderful things about Miss Jessie's. So today I'm jumping in with Miss Jessie's MultiCultural Curls. It has safflower oil and olive fruit oil and is described as the best darn multicultural lotion, period. It's excellent for multi-textured curls and mixed heritage textures. I have mixed heritage. It's supposed to leave you with soft, defined curls, be excellent for wash and go styling, fast, no fuss, and frizz-free. And so that's honestly everything I'm looking for. And beyond that, I don't really read instructions. I'm all ready to go. I have pre-pooed my hair, shampooed my hair, bond builded my hair, protein treated my hair, purple masked my hair, so that's why you might see some lilac in my hair. Deep conditioned my hair, and I have lock method in my hair. You can find out all about my in-depth blonde routine here, and I'm ready to jump right in. Am I putting too much? I think that's a good start. I went in that close because I couldn't really pick up a scent. It has a very light fragrance. I can't put my finger on it, but oh, this feels so smooth. So far, I am loving the feeling of this. If you could liquefy silk, this is what it would be. I'm gonna apply it and I'll be back. That little bit went a long way. I mean, I had my moisture base on already, but this definitely seems to be adding moisture to the mix. The slip is amazing. The feeling of this is amazing. I don't want to go in with too much. If while I start to diffuse, I feel like my hair is asking for more, then I'll add more. But aside from what I showed you, I think this is a good place to start. Why delay the results? I'm going to go straight to diffusing and I'll be right back. Bam. I'm blown away. I'm so feeling myself right now. I'm loving the results. So loving the results. The curls, where do I begin? First of all, I'm feeling my color. Today my color and my purple masking came out amazingly. More my purple mask here. And the curls, they feel like solid silk. Like that beautiful liquid silk seeped into my hair and kept that beautiful property that I could feel in my hands, transferred it onto my hair seamlessly. It feels so good. I added just a tiny bit more as my hair was drying. I don't think it would have frizzed up. I just got a little apprehensive. I put honestly probably about a nickel size worth. Dampened this one, went like that, tap, scrunched it in, kept diffusing. And that was probably when my hair was about, I don't know, 50%, 60% dry. Let me turn around. My hair feels lighter and it has more natural volume. It's as though Miss Jessie's curl just wants it to stand so beautifully and to take such a nice, beautiful, perfect, happy shape. And it feels light, and yet the curls are holding and they feel moisturized. Oftentimes I can touch a product and get a hint of, do I think it's gonna veer towards being dry on my refresh days or towards feeling moisturized? Right now, and I hope I'm not wrong, my feeling with this product is that it feels moisturized and that it's going to continue to feel moisturized as my refresh days come up. And I hope I'm not wrong. I am so loving this. So far, Miss Jessie's MultiCultural Curls is a total win. And I really want to delve into the brand more, go online, read up on it, see what else they have and what they do. A little really did go a long way. I'm sure I'm going to be tempted to use some product as I refresh, but do I need to? I don't feel like I'm going to need to. It just feels so good that I'm sure I'll go in with some, but even if I do, I feel that a tiny bit is going to be more than enough on my refresh. So still, a little goes a long way, and I don't feel that this is a product that you're going to fly through, at least with my hair and my texture. So let's see how long I can stretch this out for. And this is day 5 hair with Miss Jessie's MultiCultural Curls. And I am loving it. I'm blown away. It's late night. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's close to 10 p.m., 10:30 p.m. So for day 5, late in the day, a busy day of running errands and lying on the couch and really using my head and my hair, this is incredible. that feeling of softness, of silkiness, of overall amazingness is still with me. The back of my head is really happy. Let me turn around. I love it. I love it. The malleability is there. I can move my fingers very easily through my hair. My hair just feels so good. And every time I wet it for my refresh, and if you've been watching my videos, you know that to refresh my hair, wet my hair, do the lock method, sometimes go in with more product. More often than not, I do go in with more styler, add my heat protectant oil, and diffuse. And every time I've gone in with a little more product, I've just gone in with a tiny dab. It continuously feels amazing on my hands. It feels incredible on the hair. And as it dries, my hair just feels and looks amazing. I'm hoping to have a shower tomorrow. It all depends on my schedule and whether I can actually make it happen. I was planning to film a whole other styler and start a new wash cycle with a new video, but I am loving this so much. I'm tempted to just go and pause a little bit and enjoy another week of Miss Jessie's. This is going nowhere and it's staying in my arsenal and it's worth every penny. And I definitely want to try more products from Miss Jessie's. I am smitten. But because I was having such a good looking moment with my hair, I wanted to pop in and share it with you. And this is a prime example of what it's looked like since wash day. And that's it. So if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more upcoming videos. And as always, truly thank you for tuning in. Ciao for now.